we have the verb s'appeler. Now, in the better French, we say le verbe s'appeler. Le verbe s'appeler is the verb who helps us to introduce ourselves. Le verbe s'appeler in English can be the verb to call. But this verb is there to help you to introduce yourself in French. So the verb goes as je m'appelle, tu t'appelles, il s'appelle, elle s'appelle, nous nous appelons, vous vous appelez, il s'appelle, elle s'appelle. I'm going to restart. Je m'appelle, tu t'appelles, il s'appelle, elle s'appelle, nous nous appelons, vous vous appelez, il s'appelle, elle s'appelle. Now, il s'appelle sounds the same as this one. Only the occasion will make sure that this is a singular and this is plural. Elle s'appelle sounds like this. So, il s'appelle, il s'appelle. Elle s'appelle, elle s'appelle. Same sound, but different in writing. Je m'appelle, it will mean as my name is. If I say je m'appelle Jonathan, it means my name is Jonathan. Tu t'appelles Cédric. Your name is Cédric. Il s'appelle Jean. His name is Jean. Elle s'appelle Janvi. Her name is Janvi. Now, first person of singular, second person of singular, third person of singular. Now here we have first person of plural. Means you are introducing a group of people, including yourself. Means nous nous appelons. You can say Kumar. It means our names are Kumar. Vous vous appelez Tanesh. It means your names are Tanesh. Il s'appelle, it's plural. You can say, il s'appelle Reliance. It means their names are Reliance. Elle s'appelle Tanu. It means their names are Tanu. What is the difference? It's the third person of plural. But this is masculine, this is feminine. In case they are mixed, you go with the masculine form. So you can introduce some family, all of them together by saying, il s'appelle, you put the name. Like here we say, il s'appelle Reliance. Their names are Reliance. Okay? All right.